As Sarah continued to learn English, she started to see the world differently. Her town seemed bigger, and her dreams seemed closer. She realized that knowing English could take her to places she had never imagined. One day, Miss Green announced an exciting project in class. The school was organizing an online exchange program with a school in the United States. Students would get a chance to speak with American students, share their cultures, and learn from each other. Who would like to participate? Miss Green asked. Sarah's hand shot up immediately. She was eager to practice her English and make new friends. The thought of talking to someone from another country excited her. She was selected to be part of the program, and she couldn't wait to get started. Sarah knew that speaking with American students would be different from speaking with her classmates. She wanted to be well prepared, so she started practicing even more. She listened to English songs, watched American movies, and read English books. She practiced speaking with her friends and even with her family. Her parents were very supportive. They encouraged her and helped her practice. Her little brother, Timmy, would often sit with her and ask her to teach him new words. Sarah, what does this word mean? Timmy would ask, pointing at a word in her book. Sarah enjoyed teaching Timmy. It made her feel more confident in her own skills. She realized that teaching others was a great way to learn. The day of the first online meeting arrived. Sarah was nervous, but also excited. She sat in front of the computer, waiting for the call to start. Her heart raced as she saw the faces of the American students appear on the screen. "Hello, everyone. My name is Sarah," she said, smiling. "Hi, Sarah. My name is Emily," one of the American students replied. "It's nice to meet you." Sarah and Emily quickly became friends. They talked about their schools, their hobbies, and their favorite books. Sarah learned a lot about American culture, and Emily learned about Sarah's country. They realized that even though they lived far apart, they had many things in common. As the exchange program continued, Sarah's confidence grew. She started to speak more fluently and understood more of what her new friends were saying. She learned new expressions and slang words that made her sound more natural. One day, Emily invited Sarah to join an online book club. The club members read books in English and discussed them together. Sarah was thrilled. She loved reading, and this was a great way to improve her English even more. The first book they read was Charlotte's Web. Sarah loved the story of the clever spider and the kind pig. She enjoyed discussing the book with her new friends and hearing their perspectives. She realized that reading in English opened up a whole new world of stories and ideas. Sarah's English skills also brought new opportunities at school. She was chosen to represent her class in an English-speaking competition. She had to prepare a speech on a topic of her choice. Sarah decided to talk about the importance of learning English. She spent weeks preparing her speech. She practiced in front of her mirror, her family, and her friends. She wanted to make sure it was perfect. On the day of the competition, she stood in front of the audience, took a deep breath, and began. Good morning, everyone. My name is Sarah, and today I want to talk about why learning English is so important. She spoke about her own experiences, the friends she had made, and the opportunities that learning English had given her. She talked about the exchange program and the book club. She spoke from her heart, and when she finished, the audience applauded. Sarah's speech won first prize. She was overjoyed. Her teacher, Miss Green, was very proud of her. You did an amazing job, Sarah. You are an inspiration to all of us, Miss Green said. Sarah's story was shared in the school newsletter. Her classmates and teachers congratulated her. She felt proud of herself and grateful for the journey she had embarked on. Stay tuned for part 3, where Sarah will discover even more exciting opportunities and experiences through her English skills.